Data science is a study of data to extract meaningful insights for a business. It is a multifaceted approach that combines principles and practices from fields of mathematics, statistics, artificial intelligence, and computer engineering to analyze large amounts of data. If this field excites you and you want to make your career in the same, we have got the right course for you. Upgrad Campus brings to you a 6-month-long certification program in data science and analytics, where you will learn about basic data science and analytics concepts, including inferential statistics, A/B testing, regression, clustering, decision trees, etc. Not just this, you will also gain hands-on experience with tools like Python, SQL, Tableau, Kaggle, and Advanced Excel. Along with the knowledge of all these concepts, we offer 100% placement assistance in order to place you in your specific domain. With 60 plus hours of aptitude and soft skill training, we make sure you are all set to make your mark in the corporate world. The course fee is 40,000 rupees, and if you wish to avail placement services along with it, you need to pay additional 14,000. We offer massive discounts for our bright students along with easy no-cost EMI options. With our blended form of delivery, with a balance of recorded and live lectures, one-on-one mentorship by student and placement mentors, industry expert-led masterclasses, industry-relevant projects, we are sure your entire learning journey with us is going to be a game-changer one. So what are you waiting for? Apply right away.